Let's get ready to rumble! E te iwi, we have a fight on our hands. It's a race for survival. Survival of our very existence here on Papatuanuku. And fighting out of the green corner, we have Papatuanuku. Papa Tuanuku, our Earth Mother, protector, nurturer, giver of life, the soil, the whenua, the land we walk, our waterways. And fighting out of the red corner, we have mankind, destruction, pollution, chaos, devastation. But why are we fighting against our primal mother, our home? Papa Tuanuku, she is dying. But does anybody care? We belong to Papa Tuanuku. She is us and we are her. We are bombarded with images and messages, raising awareness to protect our environment, our Earth Mother, our homes. The banning of single-use plastic, recycling, upcycling, reusing, reducing, eco-friendly this, eco-friendly that. The list goes on. Are we listening? Papa Tuanuku, our original mother, where is our respect for her, our honour of her, and where is her protection? How seriously are we taking this? The fight is real. The struggle is real. But let's not fight against her. Let's fight for her. The tohu. The signs are all around us. They come to us in forms of weather patterns, climate change. We see the effect in Tangaroa, our sea life, and the unprecedented whale strandings here in Aotearoa. All signalling the failing health of our environment, the failing health of Papatuanuku, our own failing health. But why do we continue to ignore these tohu? As wahine, we align to Papatuanuku. It is the whenua that gives birth to mankind, just as we give birth to mankind. As the world was born from Papatuanuku, so too is mankind born from wahine. Wahine, the whare tangata, the house of humanity is the same as the womb of the earth. We belong to Papatuanuku. She is us and we are her. So if we belong to Papatuanuku, we need to take our role as kaitiaki seriously. What are we doing in each of our communities, our hapu, and our own homes to ensure we are making a difference? Consumerism. Us teenagers are notorious consumers, always wanting to keep it fresh, keep up with the latest this and that, buying the latest this and that, giving little thought to what impact this has. We're all about what's trending, what's convenient, what suits our own needs. Pretty selfish, really. Do I really need another pair of shoes? Probably not. Let's reduce the amount of unnecessary purchases. We live in a throwaway society. Broken school bag? Oh well, throw it away and buy a new one. Hole in my jacket? Oh well, throw it away and buy a new one. We have become so mangere, lazy to fix things. Gone are the days when Nanny sewed it back up or Koro nailed it back together. Let's learn how to make things work again. Repair, not replace. Fix, not throw. It was only a few generations back where the majority of our Māori whānau literally lived off the land, shared or communal gardens for the papakainga. Everything to eat was either caught, grown or collected and shared out to the many whānau of the hapu. It was normal to take kai to gatherings and share what you had, even if it wasn't a lot. For many whānau, the times and tikanga have shifted dramatically, where it's each to their own. Since when have we as Māori lived and been so individual in our thinking, to only worry about ourselves? When did things change for us? Gone is our collective thinking. Gone are our shared ways, which was once manaakitanga, which in turn was rangatiratanga. When we lived off the land, we respected Papatuanuku, her wellness, our wellness, because we knew we belonged to Papatuanuku. When did we lose sight of that? Why did we lose sight of that? Our land will always remain, but what state will we leave it? We all have a part to play to ensure our survival, to ensure the survival and wellness of Papatuanuku. This is worth fighting for. She is worth fighting for. We are all worth fighting for. To live as our tupuna did is a good place to start. In fact, a perfect place to start. Back to basics. Learning to live off the land again as our tupuna did and appreciate everything we have around us. Simple living. Learning about our ancestral whenua, our ancestral waterways, and all the beauty that exists. The battle continues as we become complacent, and it will only get harder as our environment becomes weaker. We need urgency in our actions. We need to wake up and act now. She depends on us. Our survival depends on us. We belong to Papatuanuku. She is us and we are her. Let's win this fight together.